Does Shopify have a POS system? As a store owner, you know how important it is to have a reliable point of sale system. In this digital age, having an up-to-date POS system can make a big difference in the success of your business. That's why Shopify offers an excellent POS system for in-person sales. But is it the right choice for your business? Let's take a closer look at what Shopify has to offer and how this POS can help you streamline your sales operations. If you would like to speak to a Shopify POS expert about getting the system, please click the link below. What does Shopify's POS offer? Shopify's POS is designed to be user-friendly, efficient, and secure. It is also integrated with all of its other products, making it easy to sync payments across multiple platforms and devices. With Shopify's POS, you can accept payments from credit cards and Apple Pay, as well as track inventory in real time and generate reports on sales performance. It also offers advanced features like automatic discounts, loyalty programs, and gift cards. Plus, the dashboard allows you to manage everything from one dashboard so that you can easily keep up with transactions that have taken place both in person and online. Shopify POS also has an impressive range of hardware options available, such as card readers, cash drawers, scanners, and more, all designed specifically for use with their point-of-sale system. The hardware is affordable too, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank when setting up your shop's physical location with their point-of-sale system. Additionally, there are various integrations available so that you can connect third-party apps like accounting systems or email marketing services to further improve efficiency. All in all, Shopify's point-of-sale system is a great option for store owners looking for an easy-to-use yet comprehensive solution for managing their physical retail space. With its user-friendly interface, wide range of hardware options, and integration capabilities, Shopify's POS makes it easier than ever to receive payments from customers both online and offline, while keeping track of inventory levels and generating reports on sales activity without any hassle. So if you're looking for an effective way to manage your store's physical presence without breaking the bank, then be sure to check out Shopify's point-of-sale system today. Click the link below to talk to a Shopify POS expert about your questions.